Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I want to try a pattern that's a little bit different. It's this one. It's 5347 on friendshipbracelets.net. I'm just going to copy a little segment of it, bring it over here into GIMP, and paste it. First, I need to transform. We're going to rotate it clockwise. That's good. And make it bigger. That's pretty good. And now just kind of shove it off to the side. So I've kind of got it lined up exactly on this little spot right here where it kind of is like right in between. Oh, hang on, I have to actually anchor that layer. All right, there we go. Because I plan on doing something, I'm just going to make the pattern on the top side, and I have some ideas of what I want to do when it comes to flipping this whole thing over. So we're going to have some fun with that. So let's see how this works. This goes apparently all the way to the sides. It skips over a space on both sides. This one goes all the way back up to the top again, and this one does not. It goes like that. And then, so this starts the V shape again. It goes all the way back up to the top. And there's our spiral. And then here's our center. So there's this one. Oh. Back up. We came in one row too far. Or not enough, rather. All right. And then this can come in. I thought it looked like it was more squished. Makes sense. All right. We'll do the pencil tool and grab up white, and we're just going to take off one row here. Let's do this better. All right. Get on that edge, come up to here. There we go. That way it just has a better start. All right. Now the question is, how do the strings for this work? It's kind of obvious. This one here can go out like this. I noticed there was fewer of like this dark color than there were of the lighter color. But I think we can balance it out. I'm not 100% on that, but we'll see. Okay, so there's one of the strings. We can make it turn here. not 100% sold on this. I mean, okay, so if the light color bounced it here, it would be available to do this. So I guess that sort of works out. It keeps doing essentially the same job. It goes to there. So maybe it does just work out better if there's only 4 of the dark color. Find out here soon enough if this works out. So one of the first things I kind of notice is that a couple strands here are going to do a lot more work than others. Okay. And this one's going to do the same little turnaround as that one did, but it only gets a couple knots. Fascinating. So yeah, it won't be the same number of strings for each one, which is fine. It just makes, when I cut the string to do this, it's just going to make the string a little bit different. Like I'll need 3 skeins of the background color, and well, I'll need 2 skeins because I need 4 strands of the other. So I can do select the tool here, pick a nice color to be our other color. Let's go with orange, and go to paint and fill whole selection. There's our other color. Put that back so we don't forget the next time. Now, here comes what I would say is the fun part. We have the spiral going one direction. Okay, so we're going to copy this whole top part, Control C, Control V. So now we have a duplicate of it sitting right on top of it. If we do the flip tool, we get it going sort of the other way. If we flip it again based on the horizontal line, we get it going an entirely other direction, right? So see that instead of just flipping it once, I flipped it twice. So now we can take that layer, anchor it, merge it down, and I think that'll make it kind of interesting, right? Yeah, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. We got a pencil tool, grab the color white, wipe out this little bit at the bottom that was left over. But there's our bracelet. I think it turned out really super cool. I'm actually really looking forward to doing this. Before I go, quick thanks to my YouTube members who make this stuff possible. Without their support, I probably wouldn't be making the videos like I am. So thank you guys, each and every one of you, very much for your contribution. If you want to help, it's the join button down near subscribe on YouTube, and it would make the world of difference over here. So thank you guys very much for that. If you haven't already, hit the like button, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.